YouTube, what's good, guys? It is boredom killing time, and for me, it is package day. So I bought a leaf blower on eBay for like $140, $10 shipping plus tax, and it was supposed to be here on the 3rd. It's the 31st, and it came in. So I'm geeking right now. I just got my new mower, getting my new leaf blower. I'm probably about to go get a stick edge. Just complete the ensemble in a better head for my weed eater. But enough jaw jacking, man. We about to go do an unboxing. Let's get it. All right, that's all I know about this thing, guys. EB808, I believe, blower. That's it. The ad say 65 cc. I'm not gonna test it, but I am gonna compare it to a Pollen Pro, and we'll see which one does the job better. Okay, instructions. Okay, parts and parts and parts. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. What else is in here? Ooh, more parts. That looks important. Alright, guys, we are situated. Alright, so it came with a mixing. That's pretty cool, but I already have one. And this is the arm assembly. So we're gonna put her together. I've already got my fuel right here. It's 32 to 1. 1 gallon, 32 to 1 is my ratio. Alright. Okay, so I'm doing my dry layout, and I could be wrong, guys, but I think I definitely have some extra parts. Me and my wife, we go through this all the time. She don't believe me, but yeah, definitely extra parts. Now we're gonna size it up, guys.
She picked the daisy first.
There we go. Now it should fire up. It's choked out. And it feels like it has a spring assist, guys. Like, I'm not left-handed, but I'm gonna 3-finger it. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely some type of assist. Let's prime it some more. First time firing up a machine, a 2-stroke, honestly, you want to prime it like 50 times. All right. There, we're gonna prime her up some more. And our handle up here is set to on. Choke is off. All right, come on, baby. got a lot of garbage right here. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.